mga PDD internet na cable sa mga poste-poste. So that is one of the way para ma-address. Also naman is subsidized. So going libre internet dapat. Wala sa monthly. Kaya sa government ka muna, provide na. Like some of the countries outside the Philippines, no, just kind of provide internet libre. Or mas less pang bayan, hindi pa kaya libre. Mas lamay yung bayan. Subsidized. Para doon, or meron some discount for voucher. So, next naman is community Wi-Fi initiatives. So, creation of public Wi-Fi sa mga bars, malls, mga government agencies. So that is the way para ma-address ang digital divide. Naintindihan? Next naman is ang mobile internet access. Sige namin si Kriyago.
Mobile internet access. To promote and expand the mobile internet coverage, especially in the remote and rural areas where it's light infrastructure is because as subsidy matter. Kailangan sa loob sa data sa access sa mga
So, to promote the expansion of mobile internet coverage, ano kailangan i-develop? Pag-inang usapan, infrastructure development. Simply, you need to develop more cell towers, may mobile device man. So, especially in remote and rural areas where fixed line infrastructure may not be cost effective. So, you need to create ng mga wireless na towers. Ay kung sa Wi-Fi available, sumunod ba naka-wireless sila na-install? So, you need to expand para magagit ang mobile internet coverage. Kasi sa areas ka, so may cell towers, may telephone, may data, ma-access mo ng internet. So that is what address ang digital divide. Okay, next naman is device distribution program. O, sige, listagan niya.